Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a delicious dish using some of your WIC foods. For this cooking class, we will be making spinach pancakes. This recipe is loaded with nutrients and fiber and is a great way to sneak in some veggies into your child's diet. Before I get started, let's go over the ingredients that I'll be using today. We will need a half a cup of oats, 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, 3 eggs, a half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, a handful of spinach leaves washed and dried, and your choice of fresh or frozen fruit. Before you get started, you want to make sure that all countertops utensils are cleaned and sanitized. Don't forget to wash your hands. This will prevent the spread of germs and will keep your food and family safe. Let's get started by turning our griddle on to 350 or medium heat if you're using a skillet on the stovetop. Mine's preheated. Next, we will put the oats in the blender or food processor and blend until it resembles flour. Oats are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. They also contain a fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber lowers blood glucose and cholesterol, which reduces your risk for heart disease and diabetes. Now I will add the pumpkin puree and then all the remaining ingredients to the oat flour. Pumpkin is loaded with beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant. Next, I will blend all the ingredients until smooth. So I prefer a smoother consistency with my mixture, so I'm going to transfer it to the blender so we can do that. Now we'll place a small amount of butter on your griddle or cooking spray to help prevent from sticking. So now we're going to place a small amount of butter on your griddle to prevent them from sticking. Place 1/4 cup of mixture on the griddle for each pancake. Cook the pancakes until you see bubbles, then flip them over and cook until done. Top your pancakes with your favorite fruits, chopped nuts, and small amount of syrup if desired. So now that we see a little bit of bubbles, we're going to get them flipped over. So once your pancakes are finished, we're going to go ahead and put them on the plate. And today we are going to be using blackberries and raspberries as our toppings. But you can use any fruit of choice. And I'm going to drizzle mine with a little bit of honey for sweetness. And thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more delicious and nutritious recipes, be sure to like and subscribe to the link below to follow RHN WIC.